Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to iTicket Certified. Today I'm going to show you some important Java interview questions. This series will continue further. Okay. Today I will show you only 5 to 6 questions. So now I'm going to with the example. Okay. I hope you are getting my screen and voice are clear. First question is to change my font. Wait a minute. Sorry. Font size 16. Okay. Question one. What is the question? Why Java is so popular? Tell me anyone. Why Java is so popular? Okay. The basic question. Okay. Answer is answer is Java is popular. Java is popular only two reasons. In up to the Java 1.8 version, we have only two reasons to Java is that much popular. Okay. What is the two reason? First reason is Java is a platform independent. It's going on continuously. Java is now as a platform independent. Okay, that's why Java is so popular. Second reason is Java is object-oriented programming language. That's why Java is so popular up to the Java 1.8 version. But after the 1.8 version, Java people has introduced some procedural based programming like functional and many more things. That's why Java is not right now is not a object oriented programming language. Java is also functional programming language. So we cannot say Java is the object oriented language only. Java people has introduced some new concept in Java 9 version. So that's why Java is not a object-oriented programming language only, but Java up to 8 version, Java only object-oriented programming language. Okay, so first reason is Java is platform independent. Independent. Okay, and second reason is Java is object oriented. Java is object oriented programming language. Okay, yeah, language. Java is object oriented language up to Java 1.8 version. Okay, Java up to 8 version. And some other reasons are there. Java is a robust. Java has a dynamic kind of thing, dynamic memory allocation. That's why Java is the popular. First, up to Java 8 version, these two region is the most important. So, okay, these two region, Java have very good memory management. Java has very good memory management. That's why. Okay, this is the reason Java is that much popular. First is Java is platform independent. Second is Java object oriented language up to the Java 1.8 version. And Java has a very good memory management. Okay, and now coming to the next question. Next question, question number two. What is the question number two? What is platform? No, what is platform? Platform independent. Independence. What is the platform independence? Okay. What is the platform independent? Anyone here to know? Tell me. Answer. Platform independent. Anyone? Java is platform independent programming language. What is the meaning of the platform independent? The meaning is any program, any programs or anything which is not specific to the operating system, which is not specific to the operating system can be called platform independent. Platform independent is also called build on once, run anywhere. Okay, platform independent means runs once, run anywhere. Okay, if you want run Java program in a Windows operating system, or if you want to execute that Java program on the Linux operating system, you can also run. Okay, install and run and execute whatever you want. You can do it. That's why Java is a platform independent. I will show. Okay, first, can I put some theory? So I am some showing a question. What is form independent? Any language, same kind of thing is follow. Okay, dependence. We have like first operating system. Okay, like first and okay, and this is the second one. This is the third one. Okay, now Windows. Windows, yeah, 8 or 10, whatever. Windows 10, like. Windows 10, sorry, Linux, Linux, okay, and Solaris operating system, Solaris OS, Linux OS. Here we have three operating system. Then, then we write, then we write, then we write here, then we write like test.java. First we save Java program, okay, and then compile the Java program, Java C, compile, and then it's give to a Java dot class file, okay, then JVM, then come into picture JVM, okay, JVM gives to the CPU. JVM machine code gives to the CPU. Because CPU understand only zero and ones, pulses kind of thing. Okay, zero and ones, it's follow. And next, CPU gives the output. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Good. Compiler dot class file JVM. Mm, mm. Okay, so when we execute when we execute Java program, dot class file test.java, like, okay, test.java, sorry, here is not Java, here is also test.class. Test.class file, ठीक है. Then compiler will generate one dot class file. This is dot class file, and it's also called what is that byte code. Byte code. We also called byte code. Okay, and then JVM will take the responsibility to convert byte code to convert into machine understandable code. It's the only JVM responsibility. Okay, so into the JVM takes the JVM Java Virtual Machine and converts byte code to the machine understandable language, and then gives to CPU. CPU understands zeros and ones phone. Okay, so It's executed and gives to output to the output. Its output. Okay. This is the process, total process. Okay. This is the total process. If you want, I will show you. Don't worry. Like I want to show you. Now my notepad is open. I want to write public class test. Okay. Just for the demonstration purpose, public static while main string args, whatever you want, you can take it here. Arg array type and like system dot out dot println. Okay. Java is a platform on independent. Okay. Save the program. If you know the Java, then you know all these things. Okay. Save the Java program here on desktop. Okay. Like test dot Java dot extension with the dot extension. Okay. Save it. Okay. Control O and open CMD. Command prompt not open. Okay. No issue. Here. Type here CMD. Oh. And we have one class. One test dot Java. Let me show you. Okay. So I want to run. I have already Java. So Java C test dot Java. File is in a current working directory. Oh, compile successful. Then when we compile, then it generate one dot class file. This can you see? Can you see everyone? This dot class file. Okay. Sorry. This dot class file. So run. If you want to run Java test. Then take this dot class file and uh, run anywhere, execute anywhere. Take only this dot class file, not required to this dot Java extension file, not required. That's why runs once. This is the bytecode. This is the bytecode. Okay, runs once. Run. Sorry. Uh, write once. Run anywhere. Java slogan is write once, run anywhere. This is the only meaning. That's why we say Java is the platform independent. You can run this bytecode in the Solaris, in the Solaris and Linux operating system also. Okay, so here copy only these things. These things are required. These things are required. That's it. These things are required. These things are required. Only these things, then you will get output. Not required any other thing. Dot test dot class file and JVM CPU and output. And same thing here. Not required another thing. Same thing here. You will get the output. This is the meaning. Are you getting? Are you getting my point? This is the meaning. Platform independent. Okay. Write once. Here I'm writing now in a Windows operating system. I'm writing on run anywhere. You can run anywhere. This dot class file is containing common bytecode to understand. It's the responsibility. It's the JVM responsibility to convert a specific operating system. It's the JVM responsibility, not a programmer responsibility. Okay, programmer writes once. Okay, responsibility with the JVM. Responsibility is JVM responsibility, JVM only JVM responsibility is JVM responsibility to convert bytecode to machine code to understandable CPU to understand CPU. Okay, CPU understand zeros and ones like I pulse and one. Zero means off, one means on, off, on, off, on. Okay, this is the platform definition. Yes, okay, I wish write the definition. What is the definition? Any program, sorry, yeah, right. Any program, any program which is not specific, specific to the operating system, specific to the operating system can be can be called as platform independence. Independence, whatever you want, you can say it. Okay, call it. Okay, yeah, dependence, dependence. Okay, platform independent. Okay, platform independent, platform independency is also called what is also called build a right once, run anywhere. Okay, this is the slogan. Java is one of the most popular platform independent independence independent language. Okay, this is the definition. What is the definition? Now you can see any Java program which is not specific to the operating system called platform independent. This is not a specific to the particular like Windows operating. It is common for the all operating system which you want to run the Java program. It is suitable. Okay, platform independent also called run once. Sorry, write once, run anywhere. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Here I have one more definition. Some points like once once we uh, compile a Java program and create a jar, we can jar we can the jar in any operating system. Can we can run the jar or install the jar, whatever. Run the jar any jar in any operating system operating system where JVM is installed. Okay, installed. I have one habit. Press the escape button. This is the bad habit. I'm trying to remove this bad habit. Right. Okay. Once we compile, once we compile, once we compile, once we compile a Java Java program. Okay. Once we compile and create jar file, we can run or or run or install in any operating system in operating system where where JVM is installed. Okay. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Where anywhere. If you have the Java dot class file, then if you want to run your dot class file like Java program, Java software, then you should install JVM software in your like Linux operating system. You install the JVM software and run easily. You can execute your software. Okay. um, yeah, JVM is a platform independent. JVM is a platform dependent, but Java programming language is not a platform independent. Platform independent. Okay, platform dependent. JVM. Why? Because if you search like JVM in a Google, then Java people provide the JVM for a different operating system called the Windows. Download this and Linux download this and Solid download this. We have the different version. We have the different supportable JVM software for a different operating system. That's why this is all about platform independent. And next question is our next question is pick the red color question. Next question, third question number is what is what is platform dependent? Dependence or dependency? What is dependency? Dependent. Okay. Anyone here to tell me what is the meaning? No. Okay. Tell me. Simple, yeah. Simple. Answer. Any program. Lastly, definition. What do we discuss? Any program, anything like program, any program which is specific to the operating system, specific to the operating system can be called as platform form independent. Dependent. Okay. Example. Example. C, C++, etc. Many more languages are there. This is the most important programming language. Any program that is specific to the operating system is called the platform dependent programming language. Okay. C and C++. Like we have operating system called this. Okay. And next one more. Windows like 10. Okay. Taking black color, and this is the Linux. You want to run here, come here, test.c. Compiler is required. C compiler. C compiler. Compile the program. Then it gives to you. What is c dot test.exe file. It will gives to dot directly exe file and takes to the CPU, gives to the output. Okay. If you want run this exe file, if you want to run these, only put here only this file right here. Okay. Then it gives to you what is that? Exception, like some exception. It gives to you some exception kind of thing called exception kind of thing. Class not found exception, whatever. Class not found. Some exception, maybe other exception. This is my point of view. Give this exception, okay? And not executable, not going well, okay? Not execute here. Then you must, not a should, you must require this thing also here. Okay. Then you can execute this program. Then it's going well. Then it's fine. Okay. If you execute take only .exe file, it will give to you class not found exception kind of thing, not a class not found exception. Maybe I'm not correct here. It depends on your operating system, which operating system you give and which exception it gives to exception. It's definitely it gives to you exception. Okay. Next question. Go for the next further. I don't know which question. Two, three question. Oh, three question. Okay, fourth question. Question 4. Question 4. are the important what are the important what are the important differences between C plus plus and Java? What are the differences? Mostly ask, may not ask. Okay, so take here table kind of thing. Okay. No issue. Answer. First difference is Java is platform independent programming language. Okay, here, come here. C or plus is not platform independent dependent dependent programming language. Okay, come down. Second number, Java is having Java having Java have a pointer. Java has Java no Java not Java is pure object oriented programming. Okay, only Java is pure object oriented programming up to 1 point Java 1.8 version. Version. Okay. C, plus 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 R partial object oriented language. Okay, object oriented language. Income. Third point. Third point is Java has not Java has not support pointers concept. Java has not support pointers concept. But C and C plus plus are C and C plus plus they have pointers concepts. That's it. And next example, next difference is fourth. What is the fourth difference? In a in Java has Java has very good memory management system. Okay, that JVM takes to removing object from the memory using garbage collector. Okay, JVM JVM takes takes of removing from removing from memory unnecessary object, removing like using one beautiful person. One beautiful person. What is the person? Garbage, GC, like garbage collector garbage collection. Okay, in Java. But in C and C++ not very good memory management. C or C++ not having good memory management. Okay, but Java 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 has not support multi label multiple inheritance. C or C++ supporting port multiple inheritance. That's it. Support multiple inheritance. These are the some differences. Many more differences are there, but this is the mostly common differences. Okay, this is the common difference. This is the important difference for interview point of view. Okay, so take the second question. Okay, that's it. No, no, good. One more question is there. More lastly, one small question. What is the small question? Hmm. And five. Five is what are the wrapper classes? Classes. What are the wrapper classes? We have in Java, we have some wrapper classes kind of thing. To wrap the object like primitive object, wrap the object primitive answer. Okay. Okay. wrapper wrapper are the classes using we can we can wrap the concept we wrap the concept of object on the top of the primitive. We have primitive type uh, primitive primitive data, okay, and represent the primitive data in the in the form of its equivalent 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 object, okay. We have equivalent in what is the order in order to represent eight primitive data types of Java. There are eight wrapper classes and it what is the eight? First one is byte. Second one is integer. Third is short. Fourth, long. Fifth, float. Sixth, double. Seventh is character. Eighth one is boolean. Okay, only this eight. In both eight. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. These four are related to these four classes are related to int data type. Okay. Integer, and these two classes are represented float data type, like point kind of thing. Okay. This data type is related to this data type. This class related to character. This class is related to this class is related to Mhm. Class related to character. Prepper classes. This class. These class. Boolean class is related to. Sorry, Boolean class is related to Boolean values. Boolean value like true and false kind of thing. Okay. Press the escape. Boolean. Okay. These are the five. The five. These are the five important Java question. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Next video I will upload on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel. Okay. On these notes you are collect from my group called Electric Study Park. You collect from group. Okay. This group I will share on my YouTube channel. So, yeah. You can also call link here my YouTube channel here. Go and watch the video here. This video uploaded here. So, mm, mm, yeah, this channel I take a study park. Okay, you can search it. I will share my link. Okay, okay. Also my channel link here. Sharing. You can go and collect. And in the video description, I will share all these things. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Give support and share and like, please. Thank you.